Hi, this is Rachel Mazza, and I want to talk to you today about training around advertorials and pre-sale funnels. I've had a lot of people contacting me asking me if I have any training programs or courses about advertorials. And I'm still putting the finishing touches on a full system of templates, training, real-life samples, called the pre-sale funnel plug-and-play system that you're going to be able to use in your business to create effective advertorials and pre-sale funnels. But that's not quite finished yet. I don't want to rush it, but I also don't want to make you guys wait. So I'm releasing an advertorial and pre-sale page 101 training program this week for those of you that want to get started right away. So if you're interested in getting in on that training, then you can get more information and sign up for the course at the website that's linked below this video or at my website at rachelmazza.com. But don't wait too long, because this first round is going to be offered at a heavy discount in exchange for you guys giving me feedback and letting me know what you would like me to improve or add on to the course. So go get that information, go get started, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.